Hello and welcome to Circle Time today. Sue wanted to come and say hello to you. She sometimes visits our class. So, Sue, come on up here if you want to say hello really quickly. Sue, isn't it great to have our class back together for Circle Time on Monday? Well, I want to tell you that today we're going to be learning about letter L. We're going to have a cool science experiment, and I'm going to read a story about a llama. So let's get started, Sue. Will you sit down on the carpet quietly as we start our letter of the day? Our letter for the day is the letter L, and L looks like this, and L couldn't be easier. This is the big uppercase L and the lowercase L. Let's try to write L, and you can write it on your paper too if you want to, and I'll take a look and cheer for you. So here's how you do it. Letter L looks like this, the number 1, and then slide out. That's it. I told you it was easy. Try not to pick up your pencil, okay? So let's look on the handwriting house. And if you'd like to get a copy of the handwriting house, then there'll be a link below. So grown up at your house can get that for you. Okay, so here we go. The letter L, uppercase letter L looks like this. You just fall straight down and slide out. Fall straight down and slide out. It kind of looks like a number 1, and then it slides out. This is the uppercase letter L. Are you practicing? Okay, I'm going to do one more, and then I want to see your letter L. Let's take a look. I want to see. Hold up your capital or uppercase letter L for me to see. Way to go! If you don't have paper, you can skywrite 1 and slide out. Let me see. Nice job. Very good, very good. Okay, so now let's do the little lowercase L. So if you thought that was easy, just wait. This is even easier. The little lowercase L just falls straight down. That's it. It looks like a number 1. This is the lowercase letter L. Let's try to write it, okay? So on the handwriting house, you're going to start at the top, and you're just going to fall straight down like this. I'll show you. All the way down to the green carpet. This is the lowercase letter L. You try it. Okay, I'll do a couple more. Lowercase L, lowercase L. Okay, let me take a look. You can skywrite if you don't have paper. Let me see. Lowercase L. Nice job, everybody. Good job watching. Even if you didn't practice, you were watching and learning. So I'll cheer for you anyway because I know you were learning as you watched. Okay, so now we're going to do the sound that letter L makes. Letter L makes this sound. You have to put your teeth on the top of the roof of your mouth, behind your tongue, behind your teeth. Okay, let's try that. Very good. L says, kind of sounds like we're singing. La, la, la. You try that. L says, la, 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 la. Well, I have a word that starts with L, and that word is laugh. Laugh. I'm going to try to make you laugh. I'm going to tell you a knock knock joke. Do you know how that works? I'm going to say knock knock, and then you say who's there, and I'm going to say something and you repeat it, and then you put the word who after it, and then I'll finish the joke. Okay, let's try to see if I can make you laugh. L is for laugh. Knock knock. Who's there? Cows. Cows who? I thought cows say moo, not cows say who. Did I make you laugh? Let me try again. Let me try again. Knock, knock. Who's there? Atch. Atch who? Do you need a tissue? Did you sneeze? Atch who? Okay, let me try to make you laugh again. I have another one. Knock, knock. Who's there? Wooden shoe. Wooden shoe who? Wooden shoe like to hear another joke? Okay, I do have one more joke. It's not a knock knock joke, but I'm going to see if you can answer this. What do elves learn at school? They learn the alphabet. Well, L is for laugh. I hope I made you laugh today. Let's talk about something else that starts with L, but before we do, I want to show you our sight word for the day. Our sight word today is jump. Can you say jump? Jump. Now, a sight word is a word that when you see it, you know what it is. So if you see and say the words that I hold up, you'll be surprised they'll stick. So see it, say it, and it'll stick. What's this word? Jump. This word is jump. There's a word that starts with L and it's kind of has the same meaning as jump. When a word has the same meaning, it's a different word, but it has the same meaning. We say that's a synonym. So a synonym or a word that means the same as jump that starts with L is leap. Leap and jump mean the same thing. Can you say leap? And what's this word? Jump. This word is jump, and that's our sight word for today. Now, I want to talk next about some numbers. Our number time today, or during our number time today, we're going to build a llama. And I'm going to make sure that you have the link to get, actually the link for this printable that we're going to do is on the weekly lesson plan. The link will be below so you can get the weekly lesson plan with lots of activities. But today what we're going to do for our number time or our math time is build a llama. And we're going to have to take a look at this sheet. I'm going to share it with you to know what parts we're going to add to the llama when we roll certain numbers. So when we roll a number 1, we're going to add ears. When we roll the number 2, we're going to add a head. 3 is for the nose, 4 is for the neck, 5 is for the body, and 6 is for the feet. So let's roll and see what parts of the llama we're going to use first. Okay, so what number is this? Count and see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's go back and look and see what we need to add. So find 3, find it with your eyes or point with your finger and I'll circle it. You can count the dots if you need to. Where's number 3? 1, 2, 3. There it is. That's number 3. So number 3 says we need to add a nose. So let me find his nose. Here it is. So that's going to be kind of funny. It just has a nose, no body yet. So there's the llama's nose. Let's roll again. Okay, what number is that? Count and see. It's a 1. So can you find number 1? All right, I'll circle it. You find 1. There it is. And number 1 says we need to add ears. So let's put some llama ears at the top. Here they are. He doesn't even have a face yet, but he has some ears. All right, let's roll again. Okay, what number is that? Count and see. 1, 2. All right, so what do we need? You have to find number 2, and I'll read it. You find it. Where's number 2? Count the dots. 1, 2. There it is. That's the number 2. So that says we need to add a head. So here's our llama head. Let me show you. It's super cute. So let's move our nose and put that on top. So now our llama has a head and the ears and a nose. Let's roll again, okay? Let's see if we can get him a body. Okay, what number is this? Count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see what we need. Can you find number 5? Count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's number 5. And guess what? It says we can get a body for our llama. So let's add a body right here. He doesn't have a neck yet, so we'll leave a little space for his neck. Let's roll again, okay? It was 5 again, so let's keep rolling. What number is this? Count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what we need. Can you find number 6? Okay, there's number 6, and it says we need some feet. So let's add some llama feet to our llama. I'll put them right here down below the body. He's starting to look pretty cute, but he needs a neck. So let's see if we can get a neck for our llama. It says the neck is going to be 4. So let's see if we can roll a number 4. Oh my goodness, it was. That was pretty cool. What number is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the number 4. And we know that 4 looks like what? I want you to try to find it, and then I'll put the neck on. Try to find number 4. What does 4 look like? I'll circle it. There it is. And here's his neck. So here we are with our cute little llama. He's super cute. You can build this little llama if you want to later today. There he is. And I want you to look at his body. What color is his body? It might be hard to tell, but I hope you can see that his body is red. We're going to read a story today called Llama Llama, Red Pajama. So he's wearing red pajamas, and that's our color for today, red. Do you remember how to spell red? R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red. I can spell red. Red like my marker, red like this candy cane, R-E-D, R-E-D. Maybe you have some things that are red you can put into the song. How do you spell red? R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red. I can spell red. Red like, do you have something red? Red like R-E-D, R-E-D. Well, I have something red right here. This is a ribbon on this Christmas ornament. And the words on this, it says Merry Christmas, they're red. And I want you to look at the shape of this ornament. This ornament kind of looks like a circle, but it's not flat. It's a 3D shape, and we call this shape a sphere. Can you say that? Sphere. Sphere. A circle that's not flat is called a sphere. I can hold it. Here's a sphere. Take a look at this ball. What shape is this? It's a sphere. And I have one more. This is a jingle bell. And look, it looks like a ball. I can hold it. This is a sphere. Can you say it one more time? Sphere. Okay, that is our shape that we're going to learn all week long. I'm just introducing it today, but just keep that in mind that this week our shape is the sphere. Okay, so now I want to show you an art project that you can do for today. We are going to read a book about some red pajamas, so you can make some red pajamas. I'll make sure you have the link. Actually, I think the link is on our weekly lesson plan for this activity too. So I'll make sure the link's below. So these are red pajamas, and you can punch little holes all the way around and lace around them. This is a great fine motor skill practice. That means it just helps your little fingers to get some practice. So that's your art project for today. And now I have something so fun. I have a science experiment that I'm going to show you how to do. All you need is a glass or any kind of cup and some paper. I'm going to use paper towels. You can use any kind of paper though. So, and you need some water. So take some paper, and then what you do is you crumple it up kind of like a snowball, and you put it into the bottom of the glass. Now, I want you to make a prediction with me. A prediction is just a guess. I want you to tell me, do you think if I put this in a bowl of water all the way to the top, do you think that the paper towel will get wet? Yes, or do you think it will stay dry? You make a prediction or guess. Do you think the paper will stay wet, will get wet? Or do you think the paper will stay dry? Did you make your guess or your prediction? I want you to see one more time that this paper is dry. It's just put right down into the bottom of the cup. So I'm going to move my camera so you can see that I have a big bowl of water here. Let me show you it's water. Let me move this. It's water. See, I can splash it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this cup with the paper towel down into this bowl of water. And we're going to see if I can keep the paper towel from getting wet. All right, so I'm going to do this and then I want you to help me count. We're going to leave it for 5 seconds. Here we go. Ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if our paper got wet. Our paper towel is still dry. It did not get wet. Let's try that again, okay? Here we go. Oh, my paper towel fell out of the cup. So let's try it again. I'll get another paper towel. You have to make sure for this experiment, you have to make sure that your paper towel stays in the bottom of your cup nice and securely. Okay, squish, squish, squish. All right, so here we go. It's dry. I just put it in there. So let's try again. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da! The paper towel is still dry. I'll show you that it's still dry and then I'll explain to you what was happening. It seems like a magic trick, doesn't it? But actually it's science. So here's the cup. I'll get the paper out so you can see that it's still dry. Isn't that super cool? So there was something else inside the glass with the paper. There was air in the glass and the air wanted to get out, but the water wanted to get in. So the pressure was equal. The air wanting to get out and the water wanted to get in. So when the pressure is equal, nothing happens. The air can't get out, the water can't get in. So that's how the paper stayed dry. You can try this science experiment today if you want. Well, let me tell you why we did that today. Because in our story, there's a baby llama, and baby llama wants a glass of water. So let's read and find out what happens. I think that baby llama needs to learn to be patient, but let's see if we can read and find out together. This story is called Llama Llama, Red Pajama by Anna Dewdney. Llama Llama, Red Pajama reads a story with his mama. Mama kisses baby's hair. Mama Llama goes downstairs. Llama Llama, Red Pajama feels alone without his mama. Baby Llama wants a drink. Mama's at the kitchen sink. Llama Llama, Red Pajama calls down to his llama, Mama! Mama says she'll be up soon. Baby llama hums a tune. Llama Llama, Red Pajama, waiting, waiting for his mama. Mama isn't coming yet. Baby llama starts to fret. Fret means he starts to cry. That might be a word you don't know. The word fret means he's starting to cry. Llama Llama, Red Pajama whimpers softly for his mama. Mama Llama hears the phone. Baby llama starts to moan. Llama Llama, Red Pajama listens quiet for his mama. What is Mama Llama doing? Baby llama starts boo-hooing. Llama Llama, Red Pajama hollers loudly for his mama. Baby llama stomps and pouts. Baby llama jumps and shouts. Llama Llama, Red Pajama in the dark without his mama. Eyes wide open, covers drawn. What if Mama Llama's gone? Llama Llama, Red Pajama, weeping, wailing for his mama. Will his mama ever come? Mama Llama, run, run, run! So Mama Llama runs. Baby llama, what a tizzy. Sometimes Mama's very busy. Please stop all this llama drama and be patient for your mama. Little llama, don't you know? Mama llama loves you so. Mama llama's always near, even if she's not right here. Llama Llama Red Pajama gets 2 kisses from his mama. Snuggles pillow soft and deep. Baby llama goes to sleep. The end. Well, Sue, did you enjoy that story today? I did too. It was super duper fun. Well, let me give you some ideas of some things that you can do today. Don't forget, you can decorate the letter L. And if you'd like to, you can tear some red pieces of paper and glue them to letter L. Since we did the color red today, that might be a fun activity for letter recognition and color. Don't forget, you can also build a llama by counting some numbers. You can try the cool science experiment if you'd like to. You can use the handwriting house and write some uppercase and lowercase L's. There they are. Don't forget, you can also read the book, Llama Llama Red Pajama. You can find it online, I'm sure. And let me see. I think that's everything. You could look around for some spheres. Maybe there's some on your Christmas tree, or some balls that you have at your house. And if you want to, I was going to tell you one more thing. I was going to tell you that in the story there were rhyming words, and maybe you can try to think about some words that rhyme. That means words that sound the same at the end. So we heard words like drink and sink. Those words rhyme. And we heard words like soon and tune in the story. Let's see if you can do that really fast before we say goodbye. Can you give me a thumbs up if the 2 words rhyme? Or a thumbs down if they don't rhyme. They don't sound the same. All right, here we go. Let's try yet and fret. Yes, those rhyme. Yet and fret rhyme. Let's try ham and pat. Ham and pat. No, those don't sound the same, do they, Sue? Okay, let's try this one. Phone and moan. Phone and moan. They sound the same at the end. They rhyme. One more. Let and dim. Let and dim. No, they don't rhyme. So maybe you can work on rhyming words today. I hope you had a great day today. I will see you tomorrow for circle time. And don't forget to watch the calendar time video in another video on this channel. See you tomorrow for circle time. Goodbye, everyone.